Hello and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can add live chat on our website. Live chat is important if you're running a business on a larger scale and your visitors might need to get to you very often and if their queries are to be resolved immediately. In some cases, live chats can highly increase your conversion rates because adding a live chat directly means that you are making your visitors feel that you are here for their support 24/7, and that is an important step in building the trust with your visitors. So in short, live chats are a better way of communication because through a live chat a user can communicate to the owner directly and immediately. And the live chats are a great way to build trust with your visitors and thus increasing your conversion rates. So let's see how we can add live chats to our website. We are at a WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins and add new. Search for a plugin tidio, Tidio. Okay, this is our plugin by Tidio Limited. Install it. Activate this plugin. Okay, here we have installed this plugin on our website. Go to the Tidio chat tab and click it. Now first you will have to create a free account for Tidio. Go to your browser and search for Tidio. Go to their website. Click login and now click create a free account. You can register using these options. I'll go with an email. Choose a password. Enter any website here. I've added the Wikipedia homepage link. Agree to the terms and create a free account. Okay, now your live chat will look like this. Enter your name. Now this name will be shown here. Choose a color scheme that works better for you. I'll go with this blue one. You can upload a photo as well. Click on this upload button and choose your photo. Now click continue and then select your industry. Let's say we have a real estate business. Click continue. Now choose the first message that you want to show your visitors. The first one is that ask them to look at your offer. Now this one is if you are offering a product on sale or something like that. The other option is that you ask them for a phone call. And the third one and the most used one is just greet them warmly. Just show them a greeting message that if you need anything, we are here. Click continue. Okay, before this step, go to your website. Enter the email you registered with on Tidio and click let's go. Type in the password you chose. Now they'll ask you to log in. Log into the website. And now you'll get to your Tidio panel dashboard. Here you'll find every information about your chat box. Now we've already installed a Tidio widget. You can set your operating hours. For example, you are available for a specific time. Then you can select the hours you're operating. Toggle the setting and choose the operating hour for whole week. Now on Monday from 7:30 to 5:15, you can change according to you. Let's say from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now we are offline on Saturday and Sunday. You can add a time here and then click save. Go to this live chat tab. Here's your color scheme we already set. This is the message that's shown here. We reply immediately. You can change it to anything. Let's say this message. Now you can choose the position of this chat widget too. if you want it on the right of your website or the left. So let's keep it on right. We want this to show on both of our mobile and desktop. You can toggle this setting if you want to hide the chat box when you're offline. Now when you're offline, this message will be shown to them. Then they'll see this email box, that enter your email and we'll get back to you. You can change the button label chat with us, which is written here. It has some sounds too. Okay, you can go through these settings one by one. Now go to your notifications tab and now choose the notifications you want to receive. If you want to receive the notification for an incoming visitor, choose a notification sound. These are notification sounds for a new message or a new chat request, and then click save. Now go back to your dashboard and visit your website. And you'll see this chat widget, a welcome message, and a notification sound with it to have the attention of the visitor. They can click this cross icon to remove this message, and then they'll see this chat with us button. Now click it. Now they can enter a message here. Tidio has a set of emojis too, so they can choose any emoji from here. Click enter or this arrow button to send this message. And now if you're logged into the website, you won't be asked for this email, but if you're not logged in, you'll have to provide your email here. And click send. Now this message is what user have sent you. Now how you'll see this message, go to your tidio account, and at the top of your dashboard, this is the conversations tab. Click it, and now you'll see a new message I just sent. Click it, and it says I need some assistance. Let's reply him back. I'd be glad to help, and send this message. Now go back to your website and you've received the reply. So this is how you can interact live with your visitors. Click this arrow to pop down this window, and you can click this widget back to pop it up. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you face any problem. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to get notified of every latest video I upload. Thank you and see you in the next video.